Welcome back, everyone. This is the final time for this series. We're going to finish our angel. So in front of me now, I have my angel. She's all glued on. Her dress is nice and full from the underlay, which you don't even notice because now it's covered, but it is there. We have her on a bottle so that this is how she will be on the Christmas tree. So if you were looking at her on a Christmas tree, you won't see the cone or anything. You just see this beautiful flared out dress. And see how it will sit on the table on a bottle? So you could enjoy that all year round. We've got our purple thread. We've got it attached with white. We've done the beautiful arms like princess sleeves. We've glued that down and onto her arms. And her arms, because they're made of pipe cleaners, are extremely bendable. Within range, of course. So let's put our arms down for now. Right now, I've got a whole bunch of things out here that I want to work with. First of all, she needs something on her neck. It looks a little bland to me, so I had an old necklace that I've been cutting up and I've been using it in different projects. And I'm thinking this is going to be absolutely perfect for her neck, okay, for a necklace. Don't you think? So right now, that's what I'm going to do, is add this necklace. What do I do?